Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can do a velocity edit for your videos in CapCut. So first you need to just import your clips, then click on it, go to speed, normal, then slow down the speed to 0.3 times, then make it a better quality. Click on the check icon and just wait until the slow-mo apply to your clip. Okay, so now the smooth slow-mo has been applied to the clips, and after that you can just export the video. And after you export, just open it in a new project. Now you can just add the music that you want for the velocity. So in here I'm going to just add a random music, but you can always add your favorite one. Okay, for example this one. And after that you can just click on the music, go to beats and add beat. Okay, I'm going to use the first one. Okay, I mean the second one, the beat 2 option. Just click on the check icon, and now you can just split the clip for every 3 beats mark. So in here 1, 2 and 3, split it. Okay, do it for all of your clips. So after you split the clips into a few parts like this, now click on the first clip, go to speed, curve, then select flash in. Do this for every clip. Okay, after this you are done, and here is the final result for the velocity edit. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.